Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. On today's video, I will show you how to make banana pancakes and strawberry sauce. If you are interested, please keep watching. To begin with, I'm going to make the banana pancakes. You'll be needing 2 ripe bananas for this. Peel the bananas, add half a cup of milk and blend until smooth. To 50 grams of melted butter, add an egg, whisk it together, then add the banana mixture and mix together lightly. To 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add a teaspoon of baking powder, add vanilla sugar or any kind of sugar that you prefer, mix it together, then add the banana and egg mixture. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends or anyone that might be needing this recipe. Now you need to melt about half a teaspoon of butter in a pan and add the pancake mixture. Let the pancake cook on medium to low heat until you start to see bubbles on the surface, then you can flip it over to the other side. You can flip the pancake for a second or third time until you get the desired color that you want on both sides. Let's do that one more time. Melt half a teaspoon of butter, gently add the pancake mixture and cook until you see bubbles on top, then flip over until you get the desired color that you want. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining batter, and now I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry sauce or the strawberry glaze for the pancakes. I have some clean and fresh strawberries. I already cut them into 2. Add them to a pot and add some sugar to it. Keep cooking until they melt just like this. Now add in some fresh lemon juice for nice flavor and taste and stir in to combine. To 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, add about a tablespoon of water and mix together. Add the cornstarch mixture to the sauce and stir in to combine. Cook further for about a minute or until you get the level of thickness that you want. You can blend the sauce now or you wait until it cools a little bit and add it to the pancakes. You can also have this strawberry sauce with cakes or any pancake of your choice. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.